Rahim. This is Masood here and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Masood. Students, there is another question. When are will and shall interchangeable with he, she, it, I, we, you and they? In modern English, will is the standard future auxiliary for persons. Shall is interchangeable with will mainly in first persons. Future statement I and we, and is more formal with he, she, it, you, they, shall. Usually has a legal, official or commanding meaning rather than being a simple future marker. There are examples. The applicant will submit the form by Monday. Future action. The applicant shall submit the form by Monday. Legal action. He will provide medical insurance. Future act promise hai. The company shall provide medical insurance. This is contract basis. So this is the simple difference between shall and will are interchangeable. And if you have any question, put your question in the comment box. Thank you.